create a virtual reality rendering, you need to create a camera view, and that camera needs to be in the middle of the room or the space because it'll render everything around it. Don't put a camera on top of something, just move it off to the side. And then always extend your camera view past your site. Now once you have this camera view open, you do not need to set up your crop box at all. All you need to do is go to your View tab, set up your rendering settings. So I'm on the inside, so I'm going to do Interior Sun and Artificial, close out, hit Save, and then I'm going to send it off to Render in Cloud. When I render in Cloud, what I need to set up is stereo panorama, and then depending on if I'm in class or class is ending, if I do standard or final, and then you click Render. To view that rendering, you will then go to Render Gallery. Once you have rendered, you will go to View Project. And then you should see these little eyeglasses that tells you it's a stereo panorama. And then to get the QR code, you click on this link and then do Share via link. So go Share via link, and then your QR code will pop up, and you'll use your snipping tool to take a screenshot of it and to save it.